Imagine waking up and seeing hundreds of new subscribers on your channel, even though you didn't record a video, you didn't buy ads, and didn't even spend hours editing any content. Or imagine you opening a new YouTube channel and within 1 week, you've gathered over 1,000 subscribers. How would that make you feel? And remember, without uploading any video. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that some small creators are using a smart YouTube short strategy to get massive subscribers right now in 2026? Massive reach, and in some cases hundreds of subscribers in just a week or even 3 days. And no, I'm not even talking about spam. I'm not talking about sub for subs, and I'm definitely not talking about fake subscribers. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 2 methods that you can actually use to get your 1,000 subscribers. I'll show you how you can use content that are already gaining virality on YouTube to get yourself subs without uploading a video. Now, this is going to work for you if you're in any niche. No matter the niche you are, it's going to work for you. Even if you just open your channel new, it's going to work for you. In fact, I'm practically using this strategy on my second channel, and it's getting me massive subscribers even without uploading any video. And if you're new on YouTube, it's also going to work for you. Like I said, you don't need to upload any video. Guys, this is massive. Just follow me step by step and don't skip any part of this video so that you can actually get how to do it correctly. Remember, I said I'm going to give you 2 strategies. After that, I'm also going to be giving you another strategy that has proven to work several times for a lot of small YouTubers. And this has also worked for me as well, and it is still currently working for me. This second strategy I'm going to be showing you is something a lot of creators ignore, especially small creators. But guys, it's massive. It brings a lot of results, and I'm going to say congratulations for making this video, because after watching this video you will no longer struggle to get 1,000 subscribers. Because guys, 1,000 subscribers is the cheapest thing you can actually get on YouTube. It's just that you do not know the strategy. I find it somehow that your watch hours is growing and subscribers is a problem, when there are simple strategies like this that you can actually apply. Okay, so but don't worry, because at the end of this video everything is going to turn around for your channel. Just trust me. And before you think this is only going to work for big channels, let me tell you something. YouTube is currently pushing short videos right now, and that is because they want people to stay longer on their platform, like TikTok and Facebook. So you're going to be leveraging viral shorts on this community. You don't need to go to any other app. I'm going to be showing you how you can leverage viral shorts here, and it's going to work for you. If your goal is to get 1,000 subscribers, 500 subscribers, or you just need 200 subscribers to complete your 1,000 subscribers milestone, then this video is for you. And remember, these 2 strategies I'm going to be showing you is not against YouTube's policy. You don't need to pay any money for it. You don't need to upload any video for it, and YouTube supports it totally. Without much being said, I'm going to head over to my screen right now and walk you step by step these 2 methods. The first one is going to wow you guys. Let's just head over to my screen. So I'm going to head over to my YouTube app. Just head over to your YouTube app. Okay, so this is my YouTube app. I'm just going to click on it. Guys, ensure if you look down here, you're going to see your YouTube channel. Ensure the profile that is showing there is the YouTube channel you want to work with. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this. I'm going to switch an account because this is not the YouTube channel I want to work with. Okay, and just scroll and select the YouTube channel I want to work with. Once you come to the channel you want to work with, all you need to do is to come over here that says shorts. Okay, so just click on it. What if I told you that you can actually start getting your 4,000 watch hours? Okay, just click on it, and then look above here. You're going to see the search icon. Tap on the search icon. Now, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be looking for viral shorts. Okay, a lot of persons come to YouTube to come and post short videos. Some persons are basically very creative when it comes to shorts, right? They are so creative that by the time they post anything, people would definitely stick around and watch to the very end. And remember, I said you're not posting anything, guys. You're not posting any video. You're going to be leveraging viral shorts on YouTube. Okay, now we're going to be searching for viral short videos on YouTube. And when we're talking about we're not just going to pick any random viral shorts. We're going to be looking at shorts that are not too old, because the more recent they are, the more they are going to give you enough views, and the more views you get, the more subscribers you're going to get, right? Okay, so you first of all, you're going to look for shorts that are recent, shorts that have massive views, like millions of views. I'm also going to be showing you how to select or how to fish out those shorts that are actually trending and the ones that are current. Okay, so just type trending shorts, okay. We're first of all going to select trending shorts generally, and then when I come back to trending shorts in 2026, we're going to search for this trending short first. Then after that, we're going to come back to trending shorts in 2026, because we're looking for current ones, right? Okay, the ones that are still gaining traction. So just click on trending shorts. Now once you click on trending shorts, you're going to be welcome to this interface. Okay, so just tap on shorts. You're going to be seeing all, you're going to be seeing shorts, you're going to see unwatched. Just tap on shorts. Okay, I've just tapped on shorts, and this is literally going to be showing you all the short videos on YouTube. Okay, just scroll. You can see this one is having 57 million views, and it was posted 1 year ago. Let's see another one, if we can see the ones that have more views than this one. This one is having 22 million views. This one is having 124 million views. New fashion trick unlocked. Okay, this one is having 20 million views, and it was posted 1 year ago. This one here is having 330 million views. Wow, and it was posted 10 months ago. So let's just try this one, or let me see if there are other ones that are way bigger than this. This one is 39 million views. This one is 174 million views. This one is 76 million views. This one is 109. This one is 242 million views. So let's try this one first of all. Okay, let's check this one, because our goal is to look for viral ones, right? So now remember, before you open it, so even start doing what you want to do, take note of the title of the video. Okay, because you also have to use the title of the video while posting it on your own. You don't have to add a different title, use the title. Okay, because the title of the video will also help in the SEO package. Okay, so that when people are searching for something, yours is also going to pop out, or when people are searching for something like this, yours is going to pop up as well. You can see Bugatti trend with my sister. Bugatti trend with my sister. Just take note of that. So I'm basically going to take note of this, so just click on it. So we are going to watch it. Now pay attention to this part, guys. If you check this short is literally having 1.9 million likes, which is actually good. It is having 4,514 comments, and over 768 people have remixed it, meaning that there's something special about it. Okay, so what we are going to be working is this icon here that has this icon that has plus and then has 768k on it. Okay, just tap on it. Now once you tap on it, you're going to be welcome to this interface. You're going to see use this sound, use this template, collab, green screen, cut this video. Okay, these are various strategies that YouTube has actually given you that you can use. Okay, but the one that is currently working so well right now is the green screen. Okay, just tap on this one that says, just tap on this one that says green screen. Okay, I'm going to this one that says green screen. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on green screen. Now once you tap on green screen, this video is actually 11 seconds, so click on continue. You can see once you come to this part, ensure you position your face very well. Okay, position your face very well, and you're just going to be reacting to whatever is going on right there. Ensure your face is not covering what people are going to be watching. What people are actually going to be watching is the people that are actually showing there, right? The people that you're actually trying to use a green screen for. Okay, that's what they're interested in watching. So you have to be by is either you stay here or you stay here, and you can just be reacting to whatever they're doing. Okay, so the video is actually 15 seconds. So I'm just going to click on this play icon here. Just click on the play icon here so that the video will start playing, and then as the video is playing, just react according to whatever the video is doing. Okay, you don't just have to stay one place like that. So I'm just going to play it right now.
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti. अरे रिवर्स गियर थोड़ी लगाना था. अच्छा सॉरी. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
So guys, after it is done recording, just click on this place right here and then tap on this place here. Just title it Bugatti trend with my sister. Okay, you can either use this title right here. Okay, or you can just say, now the idea of this one is to put something interesting that will attract people. You can just say, oh my god, and then put an emoji. Okay, I want this to be bolder. Okay, just click on done. Just put it somewhere above here and then click on next. Now this is where it gets tricky, guys. Remember I said you should take note of the title they use for the video, right? So in this place that says caption your video, just write Bugatti trend with my sister. Okay, now this is not all. Now you can add hashtags. These are hashtags that YouTube is actually suggesting. Edit, add hashtag shorts. Okay, hashtag short video. Okay, now just come to this place here, this icon here, click on it, because you need to select a catchy portion of the video. Okay, because whatever people see on your home feed is actually what they are going to make them to click, aside the fact that it is a viral video. So I'm just going to pick a part that is actually interesting. Okay, so you can see, I think I'm just going to leave it here. That looks like she's scared or something. People will be curious to know what's going on there. And then plus this, oh my god, I added here. Okay, it's going to make it so curiosity based. So I'm just going to save it. Okay, so just come down here. Now the second method I'm telling you about that you can actually use to get more subscribers is, if you look down here, if you come down, you're going to see select audience, you're going to see add description, you're going to see location, you are also going to see related video, guys. Okay, now what you're going to do is tap on this related video. Now once you tap on this related video, just go ahead and look for one of your long form videos that you want to attract views to. For example, I want to attract views to this particular video that is right here, because I know that shorts is going to bring a lot of views. So once people watch that particular video, YouTube can actually recommend this one. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on this one, and then the link of the video is right here. This is the second strategy, guys. Okay, now all you need to do is you can click on add to playlist. Okay, I don't have a playlist for this particular channel. Okay, I have a video on my channel on how to create a YouTube playlist in case you want to add a playlist, because playlist actually plays a huge part in growing your channel as well. So just do your other SEO package, add your description and everything, and then just upload your shots. Guys, another bonus strategy you can actually use is to use trending sounds. If you go through the process I just showed you right now for the trending videos, you can also go to that same search bar and type trending sounds, and they're going to be bringing a lot of trending sounds. Now, how do you know a sound is actually trending? That is, if you see it has a lot of views, all you need to do is to just tap on that sound and then use the sound to do a video. And people have gotten a lot of subscribers by just using a sound that is trending, because every now and then a particular sound trends, or some sounds actually trend. Okay, so just utilize that. Guys, what do you think about this? Drop at the comment section, and please, immediately you apply this strategy, give it time. Give it one day, give it time. And the best time to carry out this strategy is very early in the morning, around 6, when people are preparing for work. It depends on, just go to your YouTube studio and check out for when your audience are online. Okay, very early in the morning, before 6, you upload it, and as people are done preparing for work, maybe they're in their cars going to work, they might actually want to pick up their phone and watch some short videos. They are watching it. And another time to also upload is towards the evening period, when people are coming back from work, or when they are relaxed, okay, and they want to watch something. Just try this strategy. Try it for at least 1 week, and come back to this comment section for a feedback. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.